Bafethu njani? Igama lami uCebo ngwaZulu Sibongo. Ngiyajabula ukuthi ngiphinde futhi ngibe nawe esikhathini samanje. Ngicela nikwenzele i-favor ungilike le video, ngicommentele and tell me what do you think ngale topic esizokhuluma ngayo namhlanje. So, kunama pictures kaSiso Jacinta la khona ebonakala nabaphathi be-AfriForum. So, on social media ke kuhlukene imibono njengoba sazi ukuthi njengamanje isikhathi sama campaigns, ama parties amaningi eSouth Africa a-campaigner ukuthi ezokhona ukuvotelela. So each and every party ke is telling people ukuthi izikupho kuhle ezokwenza. But through ukuthi we all know ukuthi as a country sibuyaphi, i-majority yabantu abamnyama ayivumelani nokuvotelwa kwabelungu. And abantu abaningi basacabanga ukuthi sizobuyela emuva if singathatha abelungu sibanikeza iphawu. But ngokwami I don't think ukuthi kungenzeka lokho, because right now we are governed by black people. But look at where we are ngokwempilo. Bheka izinto ezenzakalayo, i-crime rate iyanyuka mihla namalanga, i-unemployment rate iyanyuka mihla namalanga. But before we continue with the video, bengicela ukuthi silalele le video kaSiso Jacinta and then bese siyaqhubeka.
Anyone who's a South African we work with. I mean, AfriForum is South African. We're not against anyone because of their race. The only thing we always talk about is people who are undocumented in the country. And we're saying we're going to go to AfriForum and learn from them, because it's important for us to take lessons from people if they're doing something right. And the right things that they are doing, we're going to be learning from them. It doesn't mean that we're saying now we're going to be worshipping AfriForum. That's not what we're saying, because we also told them that where we disagree, we disagree. But here we want to learn on the things that you are doing correctly for the people.
So bafethu, as we have seen the video, as a black South African or someone who want to see South Africa ithuthuka ngokomnotho, ithuthuka nje ngakho konke in terms of insecurity, because I think right now we are dealing with a high crime rate. Like crime is increasing day by day. I think what causes that is security. First of all, people are getting in the country abangeni ngendlela right. We are experiencing a high number of unemployment rate, which is leading us to starvation. Abantu, they are trying to make means of uphila. You understand? So there's a lot that what we are dealing with as a country. You understand? But most people, the way ngibona ngakhona, are not happy by seeing uSiso Jacinta with white people, because they still believe ukuthi if we vote for white people sizobuyela emuva kulola cindezelo or ubandlululo esike sali-experience before. But enye into kumele siphinde siyibuke futhi ukuthi right now we are led by black people, and konke lokhu kwenzeka bekhona baphethe, and there is nothing that they are doing to save our country. You understand? Because right now we have people who are getting in the country without being verified. We've got people who are doing a crime and they get away with that. We've got a lot of young people who are not employed, who are not working, and there is nothing that they are doing. You understand? Instead, they are part of the corruption. They are the ones abenza corruption. They are stealing the state money. They are doing all sort of crime that you can think of. You understand? So lenkulumo ikabili. Mina nje ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena ngokwakho, will you vote for white people? And if you vote for white people, iluphi ushintsho ocabanga ukuthi bengalenza eSouth Africa? And wena, if you decide not to vote for white people, wena yini reason yalokho? Because we have given a chance ukuthi as black people we can rule the country, we can lead the country. But I think labo bantu laba abamnyama abanikeza i-chance are failing us. Yabo? And if we vote for white people, do you think ukuthi ekuvoteleni abantu abamhlophe sisazobuyela emuva sibuyele esikhathini sobandlululo?